You ready to open your Christmas presents? Gonna open the presents from Mimi? Here. Tear the paper. Can you tear the paper? What's in there? Come on, open it up. Good girl. Open the paper. Here, I'll take it. I got it. Now open it. Come on. Come on. What is it? Can you pull the paper? What's in there? Is that a teddy bear? Let's finish unwrapping him. Here, let me get that so you can play with him. What do you think of that? You can't get to him, can you? He's strapped into the box. Do you like that toy? Yeah. Take the paper off. A VTech Care and Learn Teddy. It's a teddy bear. Sick teddy. He likes that stethoscope. I made the teddy bear sick. What do you do when you're sick? Hey! We got another present for you from Mimi too. You want to see that one? It's this one. What's in this one? Come on, tear the paper. Just grab the paper. Can you tear the paper? Come on. Tear it. Oh, fine. Come on. There you go. Open it up. What's that? I think we opened it up on the back. He's over here. Nope, that was the front. I just did. There we go. It is I think it's also a yeah, it's also a VTech. Bouncing Colors Turtle. Yeah, this one's going to require Mommy to do some pulling out of boxes and assembling. Oh yeah, go ahead and rip the paper. That's the fun part. There you go. Whee! Okay, you can have the teddy bear back while Mommy fixes this one for you. Go. You can play with the teddy. Okay. Say bye-bye. And Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.